Hey, what is going on everyone? This is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys 10 amazing new iOS 14 home screen widgets. Now of course, as days go by, a lot of apps are being updated and a lot of apps are being released supporting iOS 14 home screen widgets. So we have some amazing apps and of course amazing widgets to share. And let's go ahead, take a look at 10 new widgets for your iOS 14 home screen. Starting off with the first one, now this is really interesting, it's called Widgetopia, and it brings a ton of different widgets that you can add to the home screen of your iPhone. Now you can just find like a lot of different widgets. You can see these have been created by the community and you can get them from the app. So here we have 3 different ones. Of course, you will have the option to have a large one as well. So let's just quickly go into the app because this is really awesome. So what you need to do after you have installed the app right here is go ahead and add widgets. Now you have to pay for premium features. I believe it was $3.99, and then you can go ahead and add widgets. So you will have the small section here, you will have the large ones, of course the medium ones as well. Now when you want to add a widget, you tap right there. Let's say we want to add a small widget, and you will have here new and hot widgets, and then you will have all the other ones that you can get from here. You can also go ahead and just go to the community right there. It will redirect you to Reddit, where you can go ahead and download like different widgets created from the community. Of course, you can explore them right here and you will be able to find some really cool ones. Now, once you have added a widget from Widgetopia, you can go ahead and just go 3D touch on the widget, tap on edit widget, and right here we'll have the option to go ahead and choose whichever of those widgets you want to add to the home screen. So for example, in this case, I have a small widget here, but I have 3 ones on the app. So from here, I can go ahead and pick whichever I want to use. And right here under the edit widget menu, you will have also a bunch of other options that you can enable or disable for your widgets. Next up is an app called Launcher. Now Launcher has been around for quite some time, but it has recently been released to support iOS 14 home screen widgets. And you can basically launch anything you want. Like here I have 2 different widgets. I have a medium one with apps, and I have here a small one with a link that I can open from here. So you basically just tap the app right there and it will take you right into the app that you choose. Here a link, go ahead, tap on it, and of course it will open it on Safari. Now let's go to the app real quick. If we go into the app, you can see right here we have the widgets, large, medium, and small. Now you can create one for free for each of them. Then for the others, you will have to pay a premium membership. So if we tap here on the new to create a large one, we can tap on empty. And then from here, let's just set the title. We can go ahead and choose what we want to do. So we can go ahead and launch a contact, music, custom launcher. We can launch a website, or we can go ahead and launch an app. So just tap right there and you can basically go ahead and choose an app that you want to launch and just go back and you will have that app on the list. Then of course, once you have added to the home screen, you will be able to go ahead and open those apps directly from the widget that you have on the home screen. You can of course add a background here. You can choose an image, a color, anything you want. You can go ahead and customize this any way you like. Of course, you can do that with the labels as well, and you have 2 different modes here, light mode and dark mode, so you can basically customize it for each of the modes. Next up is Gmail. Now Gmail has just recently been updated and now it has an iOS 14 home screen widget. So next up is Gmail. Now Gmail has just recently been updated and now it has a home screen widget for your iOS 14 device. So this is the only widget it supports for now. It has a search bar right there, it has a compose button, and it will show you your unread emails right there. So if we tap on the compose, it will take you directly to your email and start quickly composing. You will have search email right there. Again, it takes you to your email to search. So basically we'll have a few shortcuts here and a button that shows you your unread messages. Next up, we have Social Widget, and with Social Widget you will be able to see your followers, your following, and of course any other details regarding your Twitter account, your YouTube account, your Instagram account, Facebook I believe, and TikTok. So here we have 2 different widgets. Let's just quickly go to the app and see here what we have. So we have Instagram, we have TikTok, YouTube, Twitch, and Twitter as well. So if you add one of the widgets here, you will see like the details here, your tweets, your followers, your following, and followers lost and followers gained as well. So for all the different social media, you will see these stats, of course, on a large widget, on a small widget, or medium widget, whichever one you choose. Next up is an app called Snip Notes. Now with Snip Notes, you will get a ton of different widgets that you can add to the home screen, which allow you to perform quick actions directly from the home screen of your iOS 14 device. Now here I have 3 different ones. Right there at the top, we have the inbox, so it shows you all the different notes that you have on the inbox. And then here we have some quick actions. So whether you want to take a new note, take a picture, or dictate a note, you just tap right there, and of course it will start doing that action directly from there. And then you have a smaller one which allows you to again just quickly take a note. You tap right there and you're right into taking notes directly from there, which is of course really useful, and you have the ability to quickly start making notes. Next up is Lunasol. Now with Lunasol, you will get informations on the home screen of your iOS 14 device regarding the moon and the sun. So you can see how good this looks. So basically it shows you the rise time and the set time for the moon, and again the same right there for the sun. So you will have daylight right there and first quarter right here. So here we have the moon. The single one only shows the moon. The medium one will show you the moon and the sun as well. Next up is Photo Album. Now I know there are a lot of different apps that allow you to show photos on the home screen of your iOS 14 device via widgets, but this app is by far my favorite. Now you can set different albums on different widgets and show them on the home screen of your iOS 14 device. But what I like, a thing that I haven't seen on other apps, is the ability to set them to refresh each minute. I haven't seen this on any other app. The least I have seen is like 5 minutes. This one allows you to set it at 1 minute. So you will have from 1 minute up to 24 hours. And right here you can set the photo brightness, and you can also choose if you want to show the name of the album. And then you will also have here font size, and you will have font color as well for the name of the album. So it gives you a lot of options to customize the view of the photo on the home screen. Again, it supports all the different sizes of widgets on the home screen. QRWidget is the next one for this video. This is a new app as well, and it has the option to create like a bunch of widgets for the home screen of your device. Like at the top right there, I have one with a background that I've set from one of my photos from the camera roll, and then lower here we have the current date. Right there we have the current date and the calendar. Now if you go into the app, you will have the option here to add different widgets. You can see we have calendars, we have a clock, we have the date, or you can add your own custom text right here, which is really cool. And of course all of these can be customized any way you like. So you can add like backgrounds, you can change fonts, you can change colors, you can add like a border around the photos right here. So you can basically do anything you want with these widgets and customize them any way you like, or of course any way they fit the home screen setup of your iOS 14 device. The next one is called QRWidget. Now this one is really interesting. It allows you to have a QR code using a widget on the home screen of your iOS 14 device. So if you want to put a link there like with a QR code, you can do that. You can also customize these colors, the colors of the code, and the background right there. So here I have another device, so let's just go ahead and scan that, and you will see right there it does open the website. So you can just basically have any link as a QR code there, and of course quickly open it from another device directly from the home screen. And right here is the ability to actually customize this and just set any color you want for the QR code on the home screen of your iOS 14 device. And last but not least, we gotta have some fun, of course, and we have memes. Now, memes are awesome, we all like them, and now you can have them on the home screen of your iOS 14 device using this app called Memes. You can have widgets displaying different memes right here on the home screen. Now, what you can do here is just tap right there to go to the app, and you can refresh this, or you can set a refresh interval from 30 minutes up to 24 hours. And then of course they will change here by themselves automatically will move on to the next widget. Now the cool thing is that if you have like two different widgets set from the same app, it will show you like different memes here. It won't show the same on both of the widgets. So that is it for this video, guys. These are 10 new apps that offer awesome iOS 14 home screen widgets. I hope you guys enjoyed the widgets. Hopefully you liked one of the apps and you want to download them. If you want to do that, make sure you go ahead and check out the pinned comment. You will find all the links there. So again, thank you guys for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more. I'll see you on the next one.